Hi, I'm Ken Rockwell. Let's unbox what I think is my Nikon Z 28 to 400 millimeter that I just got shipped in from B&H. I've been shopping at B&H for I don't know how many years now, since the 1970s. So probably coming up on close to what, 40 or 50 years, something ridiculous like that. Let's take a look at it. This is not my review. My review will be up on the website, kenrockwell.com. I am indeed Ken Rockwell. You're on kenrockwell.tv. You know, this is nice. Notice they wrapped up the box in bubble wrap, so the box itself, cosmetically, is going to stay nice and new as it gets shipped, although your lens is going to be in fine shape, even if they shipped just in this box and got beaten around. This is a great range. That 24 versus 28 doesn't make any difference, but getting the 400 is awesome. Okay, we've got a hood. This is a nice hood. Notice it's not one of the little petal flower ones. It is actually more of a rectangular hood. Although, to be honest, this won't do any good at all. It might do a little bit of good at 28, but once you zoom longer, it's not going to do anything. Honestly, I never use hoods, except maybe on long lenses. I just use my hand to block the sun if the sun's shining on my lens. Otherwise, not a problem. They call this a case. This isn't a case. It's just a bag. My sock does a better job. Okay, we have a multi-part, single-sheet, multi-language user manual. Here is the warranty card. This is important, at least in America, to make sure you're not getting a gray market lens and getting a USA lens. Make sure that this serial number matches the one on your box. Make sure it matches the one engraved in the bottom of your lens. And most importantly, assuming you're an American like myself, make sure that it says United States on the warranty card. If it doesn't say United States and says something like international warranty, you got screwed with a gray market lens, which is okay if you're expecting to get that, but by all means, don't pay full price for that. At least not in the USA, because it means you have no USA warranty on it. Although the crappier stores will try to tell you, oh, they're going to give you an independent warranty. Well, no, forget about that. This is nice. You've got foam instead of cardboard. I prefer that. Okay, fairly simple. Little plastic bag. Here's the serial number. Yeah, it looks like it matches what the other one was. This is all plastic. It is made in China. It's a compact, lightweight lens. This is going to be great because this we can carry everywhere and anywhere. The zoom is nice. We've got an octave here. Yeah, it's nice. It's got about like 2 centimeters per octave. In other words, for every doubling of the focal length on the focal length scale here. It's a fairly stiff zoom. A lot of air blows in and out of here as you're zooming it. Does that mean a lot of dirt and dust? Oh, of course not. Yes, of course it means dirt and dust. But I don't worry about that. I haven't had a problem, actually. 77 millimeter filter threads, all plastic. This is going to be a great lens. Looks like about a 9-bladed diaphragm in there, which I can see because my eyes focus. This looks like an aluminum lens mount. There's no clearance here, so it's not going to work with teleconverters. Besides, you wouldn't want to. It already goes to 400 at f8. I love these ultra-wide ratio zooms because I can carry this, and it's the only lens I need. I'll carry this and one of the ultra-wide zooms, and I don't need anything longer. This lens, I assume, is going to be super sharp, and you can see the full review at kenrockwell.com with everything explicitly shown in the sample images and specs and measurements and you name it. But hey, this is a great lens. I think this is going to become my favorite lens in the Nikon system, up from the 24 to 200. As I said, 24 versus 28, same thing. 400 versus 200. Honestly, I usually get to around 250 or so for most shooting, so I'm going to love being able to get all the way out to 400. And that's it. Thanks again for watching kenrockwell.com. You're on kenrockwell.tv, and look for the full review at kenrockwell.com. Thanks again.